Welcome back, good people. This is YesWeRentHouses.com. I'm in a really beautiful corner townhome. This is one of the units. It's 5 bedrooms, a lot of bathrooms, a lot of bedrooms. Look at the hardwood floors. This is a half bath. A lot of natural light coming in from the windows. This property is close to public transportation, like most of the properties at YesWeRentHouses.com. Walking down from the 3rd floor to the 2nd, there is a full bathroom. Ceramic tile. We talking luxury living in Baltimore City. There's another bedroom. Ceiling fans in each bedroom, folks. Plenty of closet space. So make an excellent home for a new family. We are accepting vouchers. Walking down to the 1st floor. Again, visit YesWeRentHouses.com and apply today. Plenty of room with another half bath. Nice little cubby hole here. Put a little study there, maybe your office, home office, dining room. There is a washer and dryer hookup. Clean cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and black appliances. Folks, this deal is not gonna last long. This unit is not gonna last long. Visit YesWeRentHouses.com and apply today.